Hello everyone, welcome back to Study. Today we will be discussing that how can you find or calculate the near power from the bifocal ADD. Before moving into the formula and the calculations, I want to clear one important thing to you all. Right? Whenever a patient comes and you have done the refraction of the patient, for example, a patient comes to your IOPD and you get to know that patient has a distance correction of about So distance correction is of about -1 diopter sphere, right? So the patient was with the -1 refractive error. You have done the refraction, you have given this correction to the patient, right? Now patient is almost of about 54 years, let's suppose. Okay, and you have given the add to the patient that was +2 or 2.25. Okay, so now you have given the patient the add of 2 diopters. It's just a case, it's not a real presentation of, just an example to let you guys know that what you should know about refraction, right? So whenever a patient comes to your clinic, you have done the distance correction. Always, it's a basic rule that whenever a patient comes and shows you in the IOPD, you have to do either with the near problem or the distance problem. You have to correct the distance first, right? And then you have to give the add to the patient. So you have always seen this thing, right? In the card, add. There is a table of add and there is a table of prescription stating that right eye is correction and the left eye is correction. So it is the distance correction, while this is the add you are giving to the patient. Basically this add is the bifocal add, right? So bifocal means that the number you are giving with the distance, right? It's not the near power. A lot of time you confuse this, that this is the near power of the patient's prescription, but this is not the near power of the patient. It is basically the add, right? According to the distance correction the patient is wearing, what add should you give to compensate this near power, right? Again, I'll be clearing it more in more simple words, that whenever you have done the distance correction and you are giving the near power to the patient in order to read, it is basically along with the distance correction. So that is basically the add. Add means that you are summing up the distance and the near correction and giving the actual power to the patient, right? However, this is not the near power. How can you calculate the near power of the patient? It is with the help of this simple formula, that is this bifocal add is equals to near minus distance. So with this formula you can find out what is the near power, actual near power of the patient, right? So while you are doing the refraction, you have given the patient the correction, right? You have given the add to the patient. With that add you can calculate the near power. And how is it done? It is basically done by this simple formula, which states that bifocal add is equal to the near minus distance power, right? So over here distance correction is -1, bifocal is +2. So here we have +2 diopter bifocal add, near power is unknown, and distance power is -1 diopters, right? So how can you find the near power? Near minus plus 1 diopters. I want to find the near power. I'll move this to the other side. +2, the sign will change. Here it's plus, there it will be minus, right? Near. So the near power here is the +1 diopter sphere. Okay, so patient has the distance prescription of -1 and the near power of +1. So we have given the add to the patient, which is +2 diopters. Again, this bifocal add is different from the near power. When we are doing the refraction, on the distance correction, we are placing the bifocal add, which means that you are adding the distance correction into the near power and letting the patient to read. So it is different thing, and with the help of this formula, you can calculate separately the near power of the patient. So we have a case of 60 years old patient, right? And his distance prescription is -2 diopter sphere, right? And you have given the bifocal add of about plus 2.75 diopter sphere to the patient. What will be the near power of this patient? Please let me know in the comments, and if you guys have any confusion about this topic, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much.